Choose a reference for the skin tone you want to copy. Select the murky rectangular tool and create a selection around the face. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selection. Next, select the Move tool and drag and drop this duplicated layer onto your photo. Turn off this layer and go to Select Color Range from the drop-down menu. Choose Skin Tone in the drop-down menu and click OK. Once the selection is active, create a curve adjustment layer under the reference photo. Click on the curve's thumbnail. Select the Shadows eyedropper and pick the shadows color from the reference skin tone photo. Click OK. Now simply click on the shadows of your photo's face. Then select the mid-tone eyedropper and pick the mid-tone color from the reference photo. Click OK. Now click on your photo's face with the mid-tone color. Finally, select the highlight eyedropper and pick the highlight color from your reference photo. Now simply apply this color to the highlights on your photo's face. Now this is the before and this is the after. You can see how perfectly we have copied and pasted the skin tones. Thanks for tuning into this video and goodbye.